Hi, my name is Josh. This is Blue. We love rainy days. What can Blue play on this rainy day? We can play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Do you see paw prints? There it is, outside. That is our first clue. We put clues in our handy dandy notebook. We can draw our first clue. Do you see the second clue? Rainbows. We can draw it in our handy dandy notebook. Do you see the last clue? Splash. We can draw it in our handy dandy notebook. Then we can go to the thinking chair. What can Blue play on this rainy day? What are our clues? Outside, rain, boots, splash. What can Blue play on this rainy day? Yeah, she can splash outside in her rain boots. Blue and I go outside. We jump in puddles. Look, a rainbow. Hooray for rainy days.